Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on copper. MCX copper price was moving in sideways range by forming lower high lower low formation, and given an upward trendline breakout indicate short-term trend is bullish. However, base metal price is hovering near to its key important resistance at 806 level, and break above will surge the price further up till 812 and 818 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 796 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.